good morning everybody. Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. I got a couple of cats at my feet that are just stretched out wanting to be petted. But I've got my neighbor is coming over in just a few minutes with his tractor, and we are going to experiment and see how the lower garden, how wet it is. So it's been dry and sunny for 3 full days. This is the 4th day, and he just did his garden, which is much smaller, but he thought that we could do the initial, he called it a rebreaker fork on the back of his tractor. We're going to do that. He's going to do that if we can, and then he'll come back with his disc tomorrow, and then I'm on my own. So stay tuned. I just wanted to give you a peek at these maple trees that are budded out, and they are absolutely covered in bees. Well, it's hard to hear with cars going by, and now we have a plane. I think I hear oh, here he comes. I better get down there. So the red clover did not deliver as promised, and it's probably because I did it too late. Never got to see it bloom, but hopefully it will provide some good green manure, because that's the only thing I put down on here. Okay, he decided that he would go up and down one time and see what it looks like. He's concerned about the slope here, that it's going to erode, and that I would be much better to have concentric circles. We'll see. Oh, I see. He's going to go over it twice. We'll see where we're at. Pretty beautiful soil, I gotta say. Oh yeah, that's nice. It is kind of wet though.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, that didn't take very long. I wish I had a tractor. Okay, that didn't take very long. Be nice to have a tractor, wouldn't it? You could just zip. Rain has been pushed off until Sunday night, so hopefully this is Thursday, and Friday tomorrow he's going to come back with his little 5 discer and go over it again, and then I can lay out rows and start planting. So stay with me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. Boy, that feels good, huh? Now don't get too excited because we could get some cold weather. Okay? Good girl. You want your tummy? 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 Come on, baby. Come on. So I was talking to him, and he thought it would be really cool to do the concentric circles too. Just start at this higher corner and just do, I'm thinking all I'd need to do is put a stake in there with a string, mark out the rows. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm going to look up on the Dixondale site and see, refresh my memory about how far the rows need to be apart and all that. So, walking up this hill is great exercise. If I did this 10 times a day, man, I'd be in great shape. Tiger! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on, Tiger! Tiger! Come on! Okay. Just an update on this big boy. See, he's got this problem. It looks pretty bad. He's been to the vet twice now. She's got me putting some medicine on it 3 times a day. But what do you think, Tiger? What do you think? You tired from climbing that hill? You tired from climbing that hill? Huh? Huh? Okay. Here's my garlic bed. And Patty and I planted all of that. And for some reason, that's thinner over here. The garlics do seem to have come up, but there must have been too much weight on the frost blanket or something, and it just suppressed them. Maybe with some warm weather, they'll jump up. But look what else is jumping up. Finally, shallots. Shallots. Very exciting. You like your body in between those two, huh? She was after a lizard under there this morning. I don't know if she got it. Okay, where did you get that? Okay?
Even if the sky is falling down,
You need to be careful with those things,
the
okay?
sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You do understand that I can turn around and bite your face, right? Okay. Okay, I gotta do something about this. All right.